we're just going to learn how to read the periodic table. If you're studying chemistry, or if you want to just know about chemistry, this is a very essential skill to have. It's a necessity. Okay, so if we simply take one element and observe it, so for example, let's just go with carbon. So I'm going to zoom into carbon, and once there, I can see that there's a big fat C right here. And the C is basically the symbol for carbon. Every element has its symbol. The symbol is used interchangeably with the element name. In fact, I'm pretty sure most periodic tables, especially if you're going to take a standardized test, the AP test, the SAT test. I'm not sure about the SAT. But the AP test does not give you the name of the element, like this table has so kindly provided. In fact, it'll only give you the symbol. So you have to familiarize yourself with the symbols of the elements. So let's look at carbon, and you can see a 6 right here on the top number. This number, as you can see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number is the atomic number of the element. The atomic number is basically telling you how many protons one atom of this element has. So one atom of carbon would have 6 protons, and using your brain, you can figure out that one atom of carbon, if it's a neutral atom and not an ion, it will also have 6 electrons, because then and only then will the charge be 0 and make it a neutral atom. So 6 protons, 6 electrons in a neutral atom of carbon. And you look, and that is the atomic number, and I would write it out for you, but I do not have a stylus with me, and my handwriting would be illegible anyway, so I'd rather not. And over here we have a 12. This is the atomic weight, also known as the molar mass. These two terms are used interchangeably. In fact, I think molar mass is used more commonly simply because you can use it like for stoichiometry. I don't know, just you can refer it in any way you want to. And 12. So this is the sum of the number of neutrons and protons in one atom of carbon. So to figure out the number of neutrons, you would simply subtract the atomic number, because this is the number of protons. So 12 minus 6 is 6, so there are around 6 neutrons in an atom of carbon. And why is this not a whole number? Because carbon in real life exists in different forms. Real life isn't as neat as we want it to be. So this is actually a weighted average, because some atoms of carbon in the real world have more than 6 neutrons, some have less, but as you can see, once you average it all out, it comes around 12.01, so 6 neutrons it is. Again, quick reviews: atomic number, number of electrons and protons; atomic weight or molar mass, the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. And let's go on to another element just to make sure we have this solid, because if you don't know how to read a periodic table, you cannot continue with your chemistry education. Let's do potassium. This is a funny one because there are lots of jokes regarding the K, like, I can't think of one right now, but search it up. So K is the symbol for potassium. So K, and then the atomic number would be 19. That means there are 19 protons, 19 electrons in one atom of potassium. There are the atomic weight, the molar mass, is 39. So if you do 39 minus 19, you would get 20. So 20 neutrons in an atom of potassium. And that's basically it.